today I was thinking of doing a what is on my iPhone video. So I hope you guys enjoy and let's get into it. So the first thing you see is a picture of a flower that I took. So once you're in my phone, you just have like the whole thingy-majiggy. So the background is this picture of my dog who is just super cute, and I took this picture I think 2 or 3 years ago. I can't exactly remember, but it was during like winter time because there's like snow and I just love the picture. Anyway, you have my email, which is just a bunch of spam emails at the moment. You have my calendar, and I don't really do much with the calendar or anything like that. Then next to that you just have like my photos, so you just have like a bunch of you know, photos, yeah. Okay, then you have the camera, of course, and you know, I look terrible today, so just ignore that, but yeah, that's that. Then you have this productivity folder. I didn't bother changing the names or naming any of the folders, so whatever names there are on there, it's just the name that automatically came when I mentioned, well, when I made a new folder. Anyway, you have the reminders, which I don't really do much with it. I did it a couple of times, but then it didn't really remind me of anything. You have my notes, which just has like a bunch of notes, which is like really not interesting. The settings, the clock. I have quite a lot of yeah, clocks, especially alarm clocks. Like, it's a lot. The first one starts at 4:20 because I went on this trip and I need to wake up at that time, and then you have like 5 a.m. because when I went to uni I had to start my day at 5 a.m. Which was really fun. And then just like a bunch of different alarm clocks, and then the latest is at 10:30 because I just have like a bunch of these alarms when I'm studying, and then I just put them every half hour or something. I don't know, my logic, which doesn't make sense. Then you have the Apple TV, which I actually don't even use, the weather, home, which I don't use, the watch, and the stocks I don't use either. So you have those. Then you have a folder next to it, which is called folder, and basically you have the compass, which I don't really use. Yeah, I don't know why, but I just don't use it. You have the tips, the voice memos, which I sometimes use but not really, the contacts, which I actually don't use because I remember people's phone numbers, which is maybe a bit weird or creepy, but who cares? Then you have the find my ... don't use it. All the rest I actually don't really use, so that's that. Then you have this writing folder with the keynote, the numbers, the pages, iMovie, and clips, and I don't use either of them, so they're just there. Then you have another folder called folder. Very interesting. But it just has like the app store, the books, the wallet, the maps, the health, which I actually do use because I always check how many like steps I took that day, or how like productive I was in exercising that day. So that's that. And then you have the calculator, which I use a lot because I have dyscalculia and I need to calculate things that my brain just cannot do without a calculator. Then you have the iTunes store, which I don't use either, and the iTunes U, which I also don't really use. Then you have the social kind of thing. So you have Messenger, which I do use, Facebook, which I don't really use that much anymore. Then you have WhatsApp, which I do use to chat with some friends, YouTube, of course, to like watch videos, Instagram to just chat with friends and post pictures. And I actually haven't posted that much anymore in my Instagram. This is like my profile if anyone is interested in seeing what my profile is. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, then you should definitely follow me on Instagram, and my handle will be down in the description below and on screen. So yeah, that's like my profile. Not that interesting, but that's that. Then you have Shazam, and I absolutely recommend this app because if you don't know what like the name of a song is when you're listening to a song, you can just like Shazam it, and then it will basically tell you the name of the song, which is really cool. Okay, I just have no clue what happened to my voice, but that's that. Then I have the YouTube Studio app, and then I have this app called Strava, and I'm absolutely in love with this app. It's kind of like maybe weird or crazy, but it's basically an app, and then what you can do is you record while you like run or cycle or do all of those things. Where am I? So basically it's an app where you record when you run and walk and all those things, and then you just press on record. I'm not going to show you because it will show like my address and like privacy, please. But that's that. And even though this week it says I've just run 1.1 kilometers, I've done much more exercise. So I've done a lot of walks, which I've actually mentioned as well. So like today I haven't done anything, but yesterday I did a run with like a walk as well with my dog, and then just like a really slow walk with my dog, a short like jog in like the heat with my short legs. Yeah, I thought this would be funny, like a short jog in the heat with short legs, but it's not really funny. But that's that. So I definitely recommend this app because it will track your exercise and all those kind of things. Then this app WMU, which is like a wireless mobile utility app for my camera, so then I can like view photos, take pictures, all those kind of things, and like it connects with my camera and my phone. That's that. Wow, I spoke really fast, sorry. Then at the bottom you have like my phone, my text messages, Safari, iTunes, Apple Music. You get what I mean. Like it's Wednesday evening, people. Like it's not my day, okay? Then on the other side you have the shortcuts, which I don't use. Then you have a folder called Social, which isn't really for social, but has like files. There's postage service and H&M, not social. Then you have a random folder with public transport, a provider for like my TV and all that kind of stuff, Telegram, which I don't really use anymore, smart banking app because I need to like check my finances, another like store app, Netflix, even though I never watch Netflix on my phone, but it's easy to connect with the TV when the TV doesn't have Netflix. And then this measuring app, which I'm still confused by, and it doesn't want to open, so never mind, okay? Next to that you have this lifestyle folder. Wow. So this babysitting app, this store card app, which like just stores all of your like cards from a store, and for some reason it doesn't want to open either. Like I have no clue. I think I need a new phone right now. Oh, it's opening. So then just like all these supermarkets and stores and all those kind of things. So then you'd have to carry around all your cards because those are heavy. They're heavy. Then you have Google Home and this TV provider app thing as well. Then you have Lightroom. I now only notice that they've changed the look of the logo of Lightroom. Why? I don't know. I prefer the other one, I think, because I just like the color of the app thingy-majiggy. So, yeah, here I just like edit all my photos. I'll just like open one. I'm not sure which one I should do. Let's just do this one where I'm just casually staring at someone, probably outside. So then I just like go here and then I just edit my photos through Lightroom. And if you want to see the exact video of how I edit my photos, then you should check the video linked in the description, because I actually did a video on that. Then I have preview, so just like an app which shows what your pictures will look like next to each other. I use it, but I don't really use it as a reference because I don't know. I really don't know why I do that, but that's me. Then I have a Starbucks app, which I never use. Then I just have this photo and video folder with Photoshop Fix. Just if there's like a little like uneven thing in the background, I might edit it, but then I might not. And I just wanted to experiment with adding like cool effects in just random pictures. Yeah, that. And then next to that I have PixArt, Fonto, which I use for my YouTube thumbnails, then YouTube Tracker, which is just basically tracking my growth on YouTube. So that's that folder. And then lastly I have the Etsy app, or the sell on Etsy app. So basically I have an Etsy store where I sell all my Lightroom presets, and I just need to go like back to like everything, but I keep forgetting how this works. Okay, there we are. So basically I have a bunch of Lightroom presets. So I have like vintage, winter ones, city blogger, forever summer, travel blogger, airy, insta blogger, earthy, cinematic, color pop, cotton candy, summer holiday, and autumn. So if you want to check out my Lightroom presets, then you should check the link in the description as well, and you should definitely buy my presets because, to be honest, in my opinion, they're pretty amazing. So that's that. And that is pretty much what is on my iPhone. Yeah. So that was pretty much this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments below what your favorite app to use is on your phone, because I'm super interested in finding out new apps or knowing what your favorite app is. So do that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I have no clue what I'm doing right now.